Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to set up Facebook shop. So let's get started. So this is our Majestic Clothes stores. You can have a look. So this is our Facebook page. These are our beautiful products and posts. You can see these are the shoes which we are selling. So now we need to make a business on this Facebook, and for that we need a Facebook shop. For today's video we will show you how you can create it for your own business. So let's get started. So for that you need a Facebook page which I have already showed you. Then we will make this business manager, which we will open from this link I will show you. So first you will search this business.facebook.com/commerce, and then this page will appear up in front of you. Okay, so here we need to add account in commerce accounts. So it will take us to this page, and this is saying start selling on Facebook and Instagram, fast and seamless checkout, and access to exclusive features and integration. Okay, we will click next and move forward. So here it is seeing that the sales channel is Majestic Clothes Store, which I have already showed you. That is my Facebook page, that is our main sales channel. So these are the products which we have already embedded with our Facebook page, and it is basically on our website. So the products on the website are all always fetched automatically to the Facebook shop. So here is the option where do you want to ship to. So I'm selecting the United Kingdom and the United Arab Emirates at this time, and also we will select the United States of America. Okay, so here it requires a business email. Okay, so what is a business email? Let's see. If you have a domain and you have a business email on that, for example, this is a contact at the rate mallofusa.com. Okay, so this is a business email. You cannot use your regular Gmail or something else as your business email. So this is a specific thing, so that's why I show you so detail. Okay, so we need to just set up it here and just click this, and then when we click the finish setup. Okay, so it will take some few seconds. It is saying we are saving your info. This may take up to 30 seconds. Please do not close or refresh this page, otherwise this will disturb. Okay, we are not doing anything right now, and we will just wait until it shows up. Okay, so let's make this. Okay, so now it is taking us to the commerce manager. Here is the main thing, main commerce manager page. So it is requiring the verification. As you created a new Facebook shop, Facebook will start your verification. Facebook will need your business information, your organization details, your identity documents. Okay, so you have to select one of these options. Either you want to select this or this. It is up to you. So you have to verify this business account, otherwise you will not be able to sell any products and publish any of them. So it is very important to get your business verification done at the first moment. Okay, so I have not done yet because I don't want a Facebook shop right now. I already have one, and I'm just making a video to show you guys how you can create one for yourself. So you can use these options, and whichever you want to use: the voter ID, the family certificate, the national ID card, the national age card, the immigration, or driving license, passport, whatever you want to do. All options are available. Facebook is given tremendous amounts of option, and then we just need to upload it. And okay, so when we upload it, we just need to submit this, and we just need to apply for the verification. It will take 1 or 2 days, and you will be get verified on here. Okay, so right now I'm showing you how you can add the items here for the Facebook shop. So you can see, as my website was connected to it, which is Majestic Clothes Stores. So from here it has fetched all the data from the website and all the listings. So here you can see the listing. So if we go on data source, you have the three option to do that. manually, data feed, or pixels. In manual option, you have like you have to put the images, the title, description, the sizes, and everything, pricings manually. In data feed, you just have an Excel sheet, you just have to upload that. And in the pixels option, you just have to connect it to your website. Whenever you put a product on your website, it will just fetch into your Facebook shop. Okay, so we will go on shops. Let's see this option, sales channels, that's updated issues. Okay, we will edit this shop. From this you can watch tutorial how you can do that, but I know already, so I will just start. Okay, so here you can view the products, and this one is the preview option. Facebook gives you that how your shop is looking. You can have a look easily and customize your shop fully to engage the more audience, attract your customers, and make a better UI UX experience for your customer on your e-commerce Facebook marketplace shop. Okay, so here I need to add a collection. A collection means sometimes when a customer needs a specific type or category of product, he just come to the shop and just click the bestseller products or the featured products or the collection. So we need to add a collection here, it will increase the traffic and it will make our shop, Facebook shop, better. Okay, so I have just named the collection, and now I need to select these products and just move forward. Then we will add this, and there you can see the grid is added, the bestseller product on my home page. Here you can see. Okay, so this is the home page which we have added. Okay, this is the bestseller product on the other page. So that's perfectly fine. Let's exit builder and we will come here, and you can see this is website and this is the commerce manager store. And we will come back here, then we will move forward to ads, and here you can create the ads. We will click the next and select our ad account, then we will click next, and this will redirect us to a new page. And from here you can simply create a new ad campaign for your Facebook to rank your Shopify, for to rank your products, your to rank your Facebook posts, social media posts easily. And so here it is. So it is taking back me to the commerce manager. I'm showing you some basic insights, overview, and catalog. So you can see the product page, clicks to the website, visitors, your shop's performance, information technology jobs, and everything. Catalog, you can see here. If you have a catalog, it will be appearing here. The performance, you can use this, and basic settings. I will show you the general settings. The account status is inactive because it is not verified yet. As I told you before, the localization, catalog. You can see here shipping, and in the shipping you can just add a shipping profile. In returns, you can just update this. This is default the 30 days return policy. I will just update this to the 15 days and click the confirm button. Okay, so we will go back to our main page. So this your shop is already created. So this was the video. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.